Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and add a credit card to Temu. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go into Temu. Next, you're going to click on Orders on Account, which is this option here. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Your Payment Methods. So click on Your Payment Methods. And once you've done so, you're going to see this option here where you could actually add a credit card or debit card on this orange button. So click on this Add a Credit Card or Debit Card. And then once you've done so, you just need to fill out the on-screen prompts as far as entering your card number goes, your expiration date, and your CVV date. Please make sure this gets blurred out. This address right here. So once you fill out the on-screen prompts, just click on Add Your Card and you should be good. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a credit card to Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.